In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties in Notion. Now, this is fairly simple. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner, adding properties can help you organize your database more effectively. So let's dive into the process and make sure you feel comfortable doing this on your own. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to your Notion database. This might be a workspace you've already built, or perhaps it's one you're just starting to sketch out. Regardless of the case, this is where you'll be enhancing your organization by adding some new properties. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and ensure you're on the page you want to be working with. It's important that you're all set up so you can focus on the task at hand without distractions. Now, once you're at your database, direct your attention to the top portion of your screen. Here, you should notice an option to add a property. It's typically displayed clearly, so users can find it without much difficulty. If you're new to using Notion, this might feel like discovering a goldmine. This is where the customization of your database takes place. Click on this option, and you'll enter the realm of property settings. When you click on Add a Property, you'll see a list of different types of properties that you can choose from. Take your time here, as selecting the right type of property is fundamental to how you'll interact with your data moving forward. Options might include text, number, select, multi-select, date, checkbox, URL, email, phone. Each of these serves a specific function and can greatly impact how efficiently you manage your information. Consider what kind of data you're collecting and how you want to use it, and choose accordingly. For example, if you need a simple way to toggle a feature on or off, you might use a checkbox. Alternatively, if you're tracking timelines, the date property could be very helpful. Once you've made your decision on the type of property you need, click on it and it's done. You've successfully added a new property to your database. It's as easy as that. By adding properties, you can transform your Notion workspace into a tailored, dynamic tool, whether you're managing projects, planning events, or keeping track of personal goals. Make sure to explore these features, play around with them, and see how they can best serve your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward and simple way to enhance your productivity using Notion's property feature. Don't forget to save your changes, and congratulate yourself on mastering another facet of Notion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.